yeah, Aliexpress.
I'm in love with you, baby, and I want you to know that I'm hooked on your body, and I'm trying to be yours.
What is up? It's your girl Jabria Maline. I'm back with another video. So today we have this beautiful hair tutorial with 2 flat twists using this Aliexpress wig. It is a 28-inch straight wig. If you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. If y'all looking for a more in-depth ball cap tutorial, be sure to check out my other videos because I will not be doing one in this video. So right now you just see me going in, cutting off my ear tabs. Try not to cut off too much of your ear tabs because you don't want to shorten the size of your wig, because then when you go to put your wig back on, it'll be too small on the sides. And with that being said, it is officially December, which means it is officially the holiday season, and it is Vlogmas. So I will not be participating in Vlogmas, unfortunately. However, I will be dropping videos very much more often this month than any other month. So now I'm just going to go in with my first layer of lace glue, and I'm going to spread that out even. I make sure not to use too much glue when I use my lace glue because I don't want it to be cakey. So I like to thin it out really smooth with the back of my tail comb. First layer of glue is dry, so I'm going to go on with my second layer and lay that down thin and clear also. So in total, I just end up going in with 3 layers of lace glue to lay down my wig. If I told y'all this before, but I'm telling y'all now. If you're ever doing your hair, do not get frustrated and take your time. Your hair is harder to do than when you're doing someone else's hair. Like, you could do somebody else's hair in a snap of a finger with your eyes closed. When it comes to your hair, it be a little bit harder. So you're not crazy. You're not tripping. That's just natural. And a pet peeve of mine is when you're doing someone's hair or your hair and they have a forehead that's more so on the larger side. I hate to see a wig on somebody with a bigger forehead sitting way back on their forehead. The purpose of a wig is what some people say, imitate your natural hairline. But some people with a big forehead don't want their wig to do that. Like me, I like my wig to sit low. I don't like a wig that sit too high on my forehead because that defeats the purpose of why I got a wig. Now I'm just working that lace glue in with the tooth of my comb and my blow dryer on high heat to work that lace in and help melt that lace. This is what I meant when I said sometimes it's harder to do your own hair. Sometimes you be needing them extra hands and you don't be having them because you only got 2. And you be needing them to help you do your hair. This is what I mean right here. Look at the knots on this wig. I bleached these knots like perfect. Like, look at that. That look like straight scalp. So I got a bleaching and plucking tutorial coming for y'all very soon, so be on the lookout for that. The knots on this wig bleached perfectly, and none of my hair was bleached, period. So right now you just see me using my Fantasia's heat protectant, but I got this new heat protectant that I'm going to be trying, and I will be trying it in my next hair video, which may be a different type of hair video. So make sure you be on the lookout for that. It will be very different from my usual hair videos. So I will be using that and testing it out, and I will be telling y'all how it is, how I like the product, a detailed, in-depth product review.
Chevy drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man.
Okay, so all of the lace is cut off, so now you see me here. The lace is definitely giving scalp, but I'm gonna go in and tack down all the areas that are still not glued down yet.
And I'm not to blame, man. This fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we.
Y'all be watching my videos, but y'all don't be subscribed. Y'all need to make sure y'all be subscribing and not just watching the videos. Make sure y'all be liking the content, comment, and give me some feedback and all of that good stuff.
Open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins.
So now it is time for the styling. For this part, I just want y'all to watch me. Like, just watch everything that I do, and it'll all be so self-explanatory. Watch me from start to finish.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the truth.
Another reason why I like this wig was because the knots bleached literally in like 15 minutes. I won't lie to you. I got in the shower and I got back out. The knots was bleached, like bleached.
I'm on a dick. I don't wanna slap me off. Don't wanna fit.
Got trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one extra time. Got tired of me in the red, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause I have
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute? Sure, you know.
Always remember that with hair, everything you do to the left side, you do to the right, unless it's a style that you are changing. So whatever I do to the left is the exact same thing I'm finna do to the right.
You look kind of familiar. Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name. Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine.
So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of gel and place it on the top, whatever gel, edge control, whatever you want to use to help slick your hair down for the twist.
'Cause I can't see how we could wanna taste something that's so good. All my love was all it took. Boy, it's mine. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me. What you do, the things you do, you keep on acting like a fool. You need to know it's me, not you. And if you didn't know it, girl, it's true. Think that you should realize and try to.
Now, doing these twists are a little bit complicated. So if you have to redo your twists, redo them. Don't stick with what you got. Keep redoing them until you got them to your liking. Because see me, I had to do my twists a couple times because I did not like how they were bulky in the back. So be like me and keep doing your stuff until you like it. Don't settle for what you got. Never settle, ever.
Understand why he is a part of my life. I know it's killing you inside. You can say what you wanna say, what we have you can't say. From the truth you can't escape. I can tell the real from the fake. When will you get the picture? You're the best from the future. Get away is mine, time to shine. If you didn't know the boy is mine.
just going to connect the two in the back with the rubber band and then leave them down straight.
I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me, but boy is mine.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get thicker. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, match that fake ass coat. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes. Act up, you could get snatched up. Act up, you could get snatched up. Act up, you could get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I can't run my skate up. Tired ass hoes in my page tryna track up. Brand new chain, city girls going platinum. I keep a baby God, I ain't fighting with no random period. You bitches weak, is you serious? I let him take the pussy, now he acting all delirious. Did a dash in the rubber like his face the furious. You see my number in his phone, now you acting curious. He gon' buy me Gucci if I ask for it. He a classy nigga walking tall for it. I bet your little sister wanna look like me. I bet your little brother wanna fuck on me. Hood bitch, hood pussy, I ain't average. He can't come around without that cabbage. Pop a pussy bitch quick like a bubble gum. I ain't never worry, I just do it for fun. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up.
He don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Choco power for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the cup, I no go feed the guys out, oh. I'm a mindless with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get both like the Baba Frayo. Ayo, don't cry, yo.
This is the finished look. So cute. So classy and cute. So this is my hairstyle. This is the two flat twists. Like baby hairs. Nothing too crazy. Is the end. Thank you for tuning into my Slay series. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more content. And make sure you hit that post notification bell to be notified every single time I post.